Good morning, students. Today is Thursday, May 28th, and as you'll notice, there's only one step for today that you're going to complete, and that is to complete the project, either the resume or the Facebook profile for your Explorer. So as you recall, yesterday you were supposed to complete your notes page. So you should have gotten this completely filled out with lots of good information using the research resources that we'd provided you. So this should look really great and completely chock full of good information. So you're going to need this open, and then you are going to go, like as you'll notice in here, there's 3 steps here. You need to open your assessments folder in Otis over here, and then you're going to choose the project that you want to complete. So for our 2 examples here, you have either the resume or the Facebook profile. And then you're going to complete that using your notes from yesterday. So in assessments, yours will look a little different, but you are going to go and you'll see that there's either the Explorer resume or the Explorer Facebook profile. So whichever one you've decided to complete, open. The other one you can ignore. You don't need to do anything with it. It's just going to be there. Now, remember, the Facebook profile is the more complicated of the 2 projects. This is where you're taking the notes that you acquired yesterday and kind of are twisting it in a little bit of a creative way to say, like, well, if my Explorer lived today, what would their recent activity be on Facebook? What would their status be? What would they have written about themselves? The basic facts are over here as well. And you would also have to create groups that they might have visited or they might have been a part of based on their interests and likes and things like that. You also have to provide events that they have recently attended or are going to be attending. And the likes and the quotes needs to be filled out as well. So this is a little bit more complicated, but it's very creative. And then the other project that you can create yourself is the resume. And remember, a resume is what people use when they are applying for jobs. So basically you're giving the background information, any career highlights, and any interesting facts and basic information over here. So it matches up really well with your note sheet. Background information is here, and you would put that right here and here, and so forth. So then you would go, to career highlights, and you could put that into your career highlights section and so on. Again, this is a little bit more fact-based, so you don't have to put a creative twist on things, but you do have to write in complete sentences, and you do have to have everything filled out fully. Okay. And remember, each project requires you to have at least 1 picture of your Explorer. So keep that in mind as well. Once that is done, you don't need to submit it on Otis. You just need to have it completely done in the document, and we'll be able to go and look at that. You can submit it, but unless you're 100% positive that you're done, I would hold off on doing that because it's harder to work with if you haven't done, if you've submitted things. So that is it for today. You hopefully will find this kind of entertaining and interesting to put together all your research and make a resume or a Facebook profile for your Explorer. And if you have any questions, as usual, drop in at 9 to 10 o'clock or 1 to 2 p.m. and we can help you. Have fun.